Now let's discuss difference between speed and velocity. The speed is a measure of how fast something moves, and velocity is the speed of an object in a given direction.
Mathematically, speed is equal to distance upon time. The SI unit of speed is meter per second, and for long distances, it measured in kilometer per hour. Speed is mainly describing in two forms: average speed and instantaneous speed. Average speed is the total distance traveled by an object divided by the time taken to travel that distance. For example,
if a car covers first 6 meters distance in 5 seconds and next 10-meter distance in 3 seconds, then the average speed of this car will be total distance traveled 16 meters divided by total time taken, that is 8 seconds. Then the average speed of this car is 2 meters per second.
That means the average speed does not tell the variations during the journey. Now discuss the instantaneous speed of any object. An instantaneous speed is an object's speed at a given instant of time. For example,
if a car is traveling at a constant speed, then the reading on the car's speedometer does not change. And if a car is traveling with varying speed, then speedometer reads the speed of the car at each moment in time throughout the car's journey. So, instantaneous speed is the motion rate of object at a particular time or instant. How can we define the rate of change of velocity of any object?
acceleration is a twist on the idea of velocity. It is a measure of how much the velocity of an object changes in a certain time, usually in per second.
Like when an object moves faster and faster, or when an object moves slower and slower, or when an object changes direction. So, the acceleration of an object is the change of its velocity. It is a vector quantity, that means acceleration also has magnitude and direction both.
For straight line motion, the mathematical formula of acceleration is the rate of change of velocity.
If the object final velocity in time t is vf and initial velocity is vi, then acceleration of that object will be final velocity minus initial velocity upon total time taken.
A positive sign of the magnitude of acceleration shows increase in velocity and a negative sign shows decrease in velocity. The decrease in acceleration is also called retardation. According to the nature of the motion, it can be uniform motion and non-uniform motion.
In uniform motion, the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Thus, the speed of the object is constant. That means there is no rate of change of velocity. So, it has zero acceleration. For example, if a moving vehicle covers 40 meters every second, then its speed is constant at 40 meters per second. So, this motion of the vehicle is called uniform motion because the acceleration of the object is zero. There is no change in the speed of the vehicle. A non-uniform motion is the motion when an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. So, the speed of the object does not remain constant. Then, the motion is named as non-uniform motion.